Friends, come winter or monsoon season, there is one thing you will dread the most. How to dry the clothes. Well, a clothes dryer can come to our rescue. Today we will review the IFB 5.5 kg fully automatic dryer that I have been using for the past 10 months. Let's start the review. IFB 5.5 kg fully automatic dryer has a metal body. It comes in two colors, white with the model name Turbo Dry and silver with the model name Turbo Dry EX. It can be installed on the ground, table, inverted and wall mounted. It has a stainless steel drum. The IFB technician that came to install the dryer suggested us to go for the stand that comes with IFB. There is a lint filter which has to be cleaned after every cycle. There is an exhaust pipe and plastic lamps that have come to fit it. Exhaust is necessary because the air comes out of the dryer. However, if you place the dryer near an open window or in the balcony, then the exhaust pipe is not needed. In my experience, I found that the dryer is very noisy and not suitable for indoors. There is a pull and push door given. The door latch given is of inferior quality and I wish IFB improves the door closing mechanism in the future models. The heater has power consumption of 1800 watts. A 4-year warranty is given on the machine and also there is a 10-year warranty on the motor. There is a timer knob given which moves only in clockwise direction. The maximum timer that can be set is of 160 minutes. There are 3 main dry cycles: iron dry, cover dry and refresh. Iron dry mode will give you clothes like they have been ironed with very few creases. Cover dry will give you results where the clothes are ready to be placed in your cupboard. Refresh mode is useful if you just have to remove the moisture from your bath towel or remove some odor from clothes or just make clothes fresh which are lying for a long time unused. Instructions are given on the dryer for mixed load of clothes, cotton and synthetic clothes. The black that shows for mixed load cover dry is of 120 minutes and iron dry is 90 minutes. The black that shows for cotton clothes, cover dry is 160 minutes and iron dry is 140 minutes, as well as a refresh of 20 minutes. In the refresh mode, the clothes are cooled down for 20 minutes. The blue is for synthetic clothes, cover dry is of 70 minutes and iron dry is of 50 minutes. In my experience, clothes usually dry up in 60 minutes and that is what I recommend you to start with. Of course, you can add additional time if your clothes don't dry up. You can put the washing machine wash clothes in the dryer or hand wash clothes, but they should have no water in them, else they won't dry. For delicate clothes, I recommend you to use the washing machine bags in the dryer. The dryer uses a 16 ampere plug. The dryer runs 3 minutes clockwise and 3 minutes anti-clockwise at 55 revolutions per minute. The clothes which are not to be used in the dryer are rubberized materials, plastic sheets, clothes with decorative items, woolen clothes, and so on. The dimensions of the dryer are 53 by 60 by 72 centimeters. The weight of IFB Turbo Dry EX dryer is 25.4 kg. This is a made in India product. Let's start the dryer for a quick demo. I have some freshly washed clothes here. I'm going to set the dryer for 90 minutes in black mode. Now the dryer has completed the cycle. The clothes are amazingly dry and with very less creases. I will now pull the lint filter towards me and clean it before pushing it back in place. If the dryer becomes overheated or you forget to remove the lint from the filter for a long time, the dryer will stop working suddenly. In this case, clean the lint filter and press the red safety button before using the dryer again. I would suggest you to use the recommended clothes load of 5 to 5.5 kg only. IFB Turbo Dry EX fully automatic dryer saves the clothes from environmental pollution, fading color in the sun and saves time and effort. This is an all-weather dryer which does not spoil color or quality of clothes. The clothes are sanitized and it removes a bad odor, allergens and creases from clothes. The price of IFB 5.5 kg fully automatic dryer is under Rs 20,000. For the price and features offered, this dryer has no competitor in the Indian market. If you are interested in buying this dryer, then I'll leave a buy link for you in the video description and pinned comment. I can confirm that this video is not sponsored by IFB or any other company. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such interesting videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.